I'm going to eat a KFC because I'm so hungry.
Welcome to KFC. How may I take you an order?
I would like 30 bucket of chicken, 40 George of gold chicken, please.
Okay. Coming right up. Here is your food. Enjoy your meal.
Mm. That was so good. Oh no, I'm fat. Rodney is going to kill me if they see me like this. Phineas T. Ratchet, what the freak is wrong with you? I can't believe you got fed at KFC. That's it. You're grounded. When we get home, you will go upstairs to your room